Welcome to Raya Shikshan Samstha's online teaching education. Subject English. Standard 2nd 2.4 Story time. Unity is strength. So students, listen, repeat and enact. Unity is the strength means unity is the biggest power for people who cooperate with others. You cannot do all the things alone. You need help and support. Unity is the strength develop a feel and you can deal with any worse situation with the power of unity. So dear children, first of all, I read and explain the story of first para and you listen and repeat at home. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. Once upon a time, there lived an old man. That old man had 4 sons. They were always quarreling with one another. The old man tried his level best to bring them on the right path, but they never listened to old man and ignored this advice. So the old man felt very worried and he thought himself, how I am going to convince them that if he keep on quarreling, the others will take advantage of them. They have to be together. Then I read and explain the second para. One day he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break a bundle into two. It's so easy, said the eldest son. He took the bundle up, tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. One day, old man thought of an idea. He called his sons and asked them to bring a few sticks. All 4 sons went around and brought some wooden sticks with them. When they brought those sticks, he tied them into one bundle and he gave that bundle to each of the sons. He gave it to the first son and said, "My son, try all your strength and try to break it. Can you do it? Let me see." First son said to his father, "Oh father, it is such a simple task. I will break that in 1 minute. You see." Old man just a smile away. This first son tried all his strength and power to break the bundle of sticks, but he could not break it at all. Being tired, he gave that bundle back to the father. Now the old man went to the second son and said, "Son, can you try to break the bundle now?" The son said to his father, "Oh father, this is so easy. I will break this bundle in just a moment." Old man smiled again and he watched as his second son struggled to break the bundle into pieces. After a while, when the second son realized that he could not break the bundle, he gave it back to the old man. Now it was time for the third son. Old man went to his third son and said, "Oh son, can you take to break this bundle?" Your other two brothers could not break it. The third son said to his father, "Oh, father, it is so obvious. They could not break it because they are weak. I am so strong. I will break the bundle in a snap of a second." Old man smiled again, and as he watched the third son again struggling to break the bundle, he realized that his message is going to get across soon. As the third son could not break the bundle, he gave the bundle back to his father. Then it was time for fourth son. Fourth son could not break the bundle. Then I read the third paragraph. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to unite the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took the stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. Now, this time, father broke the bundle and gave one stick each of those four sons and said, "Okay, you trial the bundle. Now, can you break the stick?" And before even he finished his sentence, all four sons of that old man broke the sticks immediately. And old man looked at all four sons. By now, even all four of them realized what their father was telling them. Then I read next paragraph and you listen. A single stick is easily broken. If four sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among your slaves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick. In that bundle, remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons the meaningful look. This time the brothers learned a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. They realized that if they keep on quarreling, the will be not united and anybody can break them and take advantage of them. But if they unite and work together, they will be so strong like bundle of sticks that nobody can break their unity and they will always prosper. The moral of the story is unity is the biggest power of the people. Thank you. Thank you.